Hi, my name is Lily Fernandez. I am 19 years old. I live in Bogota, Colombia, with my mom, my two little brothers, and his husband. I also have a cat. My name is Mish. He usually spends a lot of time at tower. My favorite foods is soap, also fast foods. My fruit favorite is mango, watermelon, and pineapple. I have no favorite color. My favorite series is Joe. My favorite hobbies is sleeping with my cat and playing with my it. But I also like go and see new places, shirts and dancing floors, um, historical place, and exotic foods. I am studying sound training my ground integral management company. Very happy about that most of hobbies I don't with my boyfriend. Thank you.